have me started by a große boot by the expo called Squid ERP. Lass me see die English do. What is Squid ERP? Tune the Michael. Let me know what the booth is all about.
Squid.
Squid. Come called the nomen is interessant. What's my day? Squid.
Squid is a fish. It has 5 brains. Squid is an inventory management system, and it's meant for wholesalers, retailers, e-commerce, manufacturing. Okay, and distribution also. If you have a distributor, it's also for you. Squid is meant for managing every aspect of your business: inventory management, warehouse management, sales on the go, e-commerce, channel management, distribution and manufacturing.
Wow. Solid. So all of the favorite is Squid covering, but what problems does it solve? What's the ICA problems it solves?
Well, if you have an inventory management, if you're running your inventory, you don't have to run on Excel sheets, you don't have to run on many different applications, many different softwares, figure out how to sync certain operations in your certain departments, your purchasing, forecasting, warehouse management, palletizing, container tracking, and many other areas in your company. You don't have to figure out everything. Everything sits inside Squid. That's the idea.
Wow.
It's all in one.
It's all in one. The ganze Sache, you guys handle it. Wie ist Squid geboren geworden, Taka? Where was it born?
Oh, that's a good question.
Taka, how did it happen?
Squid was, first of all, when it was born 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
It was born and created for companies who are operating on QuickBooks Desktop. At that time, QuickBooks Desktop is an accounting system. It's not meant to run your operations. So therefore, we created Squid, which mimics the operations, the process which you can see in QuickBooks Desktop. However, it runs and fills in all the gaps, which you will notice as an inventory company when you work on QuickBooks Desktop or now QuickBooks Online.
Wow.
So Squid is now meant to operate your entire operations, as well the accounting, which is also syncing in real time to Squid on a daily basis.
Wow. So the Wand do, seht man auf der Wand, alles was dit sich do. The whole globe I see over here, unbelievable. You have the whole thing figured out here. Was dit sich do? Lass me sehen auf dem globe do.
Oh, you were trying to understand what we're seeing over here. Look at this. This is the warehouse and inventory. You can have multi-location transfers from one place to another, 3PL. You have financial tracking. What about if I'm losing money? For example, in QuickBooks, you can't detect if you're losing money in one particular customer or something. You have an analytics system. Now we're trying and we are figuring it out. Baruch Hashem, it's now a beta AI project where we're going to be able to see and get alerts in real time what's going on in your financials. You have logistics, LTL tracking. You have small parcel, UPS, FedEx, shipping labels. You have sales orders. Sales order entry, you can do sales order entry on the go. You can sync in from other external systems. You have shipping and delivery, a routing system, and manage your trucks, and it goes on and on and on. It's a whole world.
It's a whole world in Squid.
That's it.
Unbelievable.
Thank you so much.
COVID. What's the number somebody wants to reach out to have a conversation, to get a quote?
Here's another good guy. You gotta reach out to Mordechai wieder, 347-228-8268.
So that's the number to reach out. I'm liking the number on the screen.
This is his personal cell phone.
This is
I'm not sure. I didn't ask him.
So that's the number.
Yeah, schedule yourself a demo and we'll see you on the other side.
The team. Echt geziedische geschmack team, that team.
Solid
team.
Yes.
If you're in any of these lines that we spoke about before, this is the number to reach out to. Call them up.
Sure, it's a heimische, built by heimische.
Built by heimische, for the heimische.
Met een geziedische kappel.
De geziedische kappel, met een jiddische kap.
That's it.
Gevre, schooien gaat maar leggen.